Annyeong Olen Hi. Welcome back. Yes, back to my channel. Today I will be doing what you guys expect me to do on the first Friday of the month, which is make a new ring. You see this beauty? It's so nice. First, let's get quickly into that. My first spring themed promise ring, and you guys, I have a couple of ideas. One idea I saw on Pinterest, the other idea is off the top of my head, and there's one idea, but I don't think I'm gonna do it because I think it's gonna be a little too clunky. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that one. So yeah, let's get into it. guys, during my project I lost 2 of my nail polishes. I got UV, because I already have a UV lamp, so I got UV color changing. So I don't know if you guys noticed, there's a bit of a door for you in the video. If you guys noticed that my nail polish was slowly changing color, it's probably because my color changing nail polish. My hands usually run cold, so that's why they're pink now, because they're hot, but they're purple when they're cold. Now, normally this would be the part where I tell you, oh, we're going on to the vase or something like that, or I would have, you know, quickly transitioned into the vase without really saying anything. But this week, there is no decoration of the vase. Probably this whole month, because I forgot that I need to buy UV resin for this video. It is now Thursday. The video needs to go out tomorrow. I am still in the editing process. But yeah, you also won't be getting any B-roll of the ring because I am a total mess this month, apparently, and I lost the ring already in the chaos of my craft room, my craft area of my room, just like I lost the first one that I made that I didn't tell you guys that I lost. I need to do better. I'm sorry, God, I really am. But for good posture, I am going to do what I planned on doing anyways with this ring, and hopefully while scouring I'll be able to find the other ring. But anyways, let's just grab this. And we're adding it to the vase. That feels good. Again, I'm going to scour my room, my craft section of my room. I need to better organize the craft section of my room. They're mostly just in huge boxes. But anyways, I will see you guys next week, where I'm hoping to make the accessories to my Easter service outfit. I'm excited about those accessories. I'm thinking wrist purse and umbrella. We'll see. We'll see. But until then, that is sayonara, adios, and 안녕히 계세요.
Bloopers.
So much static. What? Ooh, this is dedicated. I felt like matte patches a second ago with that screen. Now! Perfect matte pat mimicry, I know. I'm like the black female version of matte pat. I'm so intelligent. Okay. If y'all want to see me wear all my wigs, just let me know. There's only people who are going to be requesting it. There'll be people who see this at the end of the video in the big